Yes guys, it is day 3 of the renovation. It is early morning, that is how we like it. And today we are getting all the ceilings down inside the conservatory. Came down yesterday and now it's into phase 3, rip out the inside. Looking forward to it, let's go. This skip's going now because the conservatory's down. We've got another skip getting delivered for all the ceilings, plasterboard today. Let's go. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's start the day. Right, so I've got a few different tools for this. J-bar, crowbar, slate ripper, and a sharp hammer. I don't know what one's going to work the best, but let's find out. So we're getting there. We're using the crowbar to prise it all off. See how the other boys are getting on. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Let's go. So we are about halfway through the old living room, stacking it out there, insulation over there. It's looking good. Next half, let's go. This room's complete, all good. We're getting there, we're getting there. Bye-bye kitchen. Yes. We had to put on these because it was getting a bit too dusty. It's getting crazy, but we're all good. So, all the rooms fully stripped of the plasterboard. Just doing the last bit of sweeping up. All downstairs is tidy. Skip's almost full. Getting there. The reason we have done all the plasterboard and dealt with all the plasterboard. Now, this is the rooms, kitchens, and living room. The reason we've done this is because, if you don't know, then with skips, you need a separate skip for the plasterboard. So that is why we've used just this skip to fill it up with all the plasterboard inside. And then we're gonna get another skip for all the other stuff. So that is it. Dusty one today. Day 3 is done. Skip's full with the plasterboard. House is stripped out. Oh, we're getting there, we're getting there. So if you're enjoying this journey, subscribe, because you're not gonna miss anything. I'm gonna vlog every single part of this journey. And yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, comment anything you wanna learn, and I'll get it done. See you in day 4. Let's go.